First of all, my name is Alicia. Now I'm going to interpreting my friend Alia, and um, she can talk English and she would talk with Bahasa, and she will interview Matthias. Okay,
Yeah,
okay, maybe we can start the interview, Alia.
yeah. Go ahead,
Nih,
please.
aku nanya ke dia.
Yeah.
Oke. Dia namanya siapa? Terus kamu orang mana?
Okay, so what is your name and where are you from?
My name is Matthias, and I'm from Finland. Finland located in North Europe, specifically.
Oke, dia namanya Matthias dan dia berasal dari Finlandia, spesifiknya itu di Eropa.
Oh my god. Finlandia tuh kan kayak terkenal sama pemandangan yang kayak bagus banget gitu. Kayak natural banget. Pasti dia sering lihat aurora gitu gak?
Oke.
Karena banyak artis yang kesana gitu, artis dari Indonesia.
Oke. Okay, she said like in Finland there's famous with the view, right?
Yeah.
And the famous one is Aurora,
Yeah.
right? And wait, can you repeat, Alia?
Kamu sering lihat auroranya nggak? Terus
Okay.
kayak itu bagus banget apa biasa aja gitu?
Okay, because of like so many artists went there visit Aurora, and are you where is it? Are you always like looking for the Aurora?
Yeah, I have seen like Aurora Borealis or North Light, usually in English. We calling yeah, I have seen like maybe over 100 times, and for me uh it's not uh like rare things or like amazing things, because it's just same than sun or cloud for me, because I can see that like so often, specifically in winter season. And I forget what was your question.
Okay. Alright, so jadi katanya dia itu sering banget lihat aurora, kayak 100 kali dia tuh lihat auroranya, dan ini tuh bukan sesuatu yang langka, dan juga udah nggak menarik lagi gitu buat dia di sana, karena dia itu sering banget ngeliat aurora, terutama di musim dingin katanya gitu.
Apakah dia tinggalnya di pegunungan atau di kota? Dan bagaimana kehidupan dia di Finland gitu? Apakah dia happy tinggal di sana? Apa enggak?
Okay. Okay. Are you living in a city or in a mountain? And how's the life there? Yeah, how's your life there? Are you living in city or mountain?
Yeah, thanks for asking. Yeah, I'm living in urban area, so in center of the city. But I born in countryside, middle of forest. And what was the other question? What I'm doing? What was the question? I forget.
How's your feeling, right? Oh ya, gimana perasaannya kan? Yeah, how's your feeling living there?
Yeah. Yeah. I think Finland is good place to living, definitely for born. I think the environment is pretty peaceful and safety for child, and I think this was good environment for me. But on the other hand, I wanna moving abroad also in the future because I think Finland is a little bit boring country for me because I have been here like last 23 years since I born. So
Okay.
yeah, but I'm satisfied of my life in here, I think.
Oke, iya jadi katanya dia itu tinggal di kota dan tinggalnya tuh di pertengahan hutan dan kota gitu, di perhutanan dan di kota. Jadi dia tinggal tuh di tengah-tengah. Terus juga menurut dia tuh Finland tuh tempat yang bagus dan juga dia merasa apa sih di sana tuh damai gitu hidupnya. Katanya gitu.
Oh, udah.
Mm-mm.
Oh, emang apa kayak pekerjaan dia apa sehari-hari?
Okay. What is your job? Yeah, now.
Yeah. I'm student at uni, but at the moment I'm working. I'm working on a bank, and my position or my job is like financial advisor on the bank. So I'm just help the customers, for example, if they have some issues in them online bank or if they need loans, for example, household loans or some spending loans. But it's only like temporary job. So I will end my summer contract mid of August.
Oke. Ya jadi katanya dia sebenarnya ini ya mahasiswa, tapi dia juga kerja di bank, terus posisinya sekarang itu di bank sebagai finansial gitu, yang ngurusin finansial katanya gitu, dan kontrak dia sekarang itu berakhir sampai Agustus.
Emang jurusan di kuliahnya apa?
What is your major in your college?
My major in uni is economics, but it's only like general major, so I haven't yet choose my specific major, but it will be financing, accounting, or business analytics. To be honest, I'm not sure yet.
Oke, jadi dia jurusan ekonomi di kampusnya, tapi spesifiknya itu dia di finansial akuntansi bisnis. Tapi dia juga sebenarnya belum yakin gitu dengan jurusan dia saat ini.
Emang semester berapa di kuliahnya?
What semester are you now?
I just finished my second year in uni, so in September I will start my third year, and it's final year in bachelor degree, but I will continue on my degrees, bachelor plus master. So I have still like 3 year studies because bachelor is 3 years and master is 2 years.
Oke. Dia sekarang baru menyelesaikan tahun keduanya di kampus, dan di September ini dia akan memulai tahun ketiganya, dan dia akan menyelesaikan kuliahnya mungkin 3 atau 2 tahunan. Gitu.
Apakah kamu punya kayak hobi di olahraga, terutama kayak mungkin di olahraga motor, motorsport gitu, atau kayak F1 gitu?
Okay. Do you have any hobbies, or like do you like motor GP or F1?
Yeah, I have hobbies. Usually my hobbies. Okay, yeah, I forget what I have to say. Yeah, I have hobbies, and usually my hobbies connect to sport. Since I was maybe child, maybe 4 years old, 5 years old, I have been playing some sport. And I was serious when I was high school. I played at serious level for football, but I realized I'm not enough to be professional. So nowadays I'm just like playing for fun with my friends. And yeah, I'm watching like F1. But yeah, but nowadays I'm not watching as much than as 5 years ago. So yeah, I think it's a little bit boring series because like there's only one or two like drivers who can win something, who can win something. So yeah.
Okay. Katanya dia suka sesuatu yang olahraga gitu, dan dari umur 4 atau 5 tahun tuh dia main sepak bola, tapi dia kayak nyadar gitu kayak dia gak terlalu jago di situ. Akhirnya dia cuman kayak main untuk senang-senang aja, main bola untuk senang-senang aja. Dan dia nonton F1 katanya kayak 5 tahun yang lalu gitu. Ya, gitu.
Emang waktu di F1 siapa driver favoritnya
In F1,
sebelumnya?
what is your driver favorite before?
Atau mungkin tim favorit?
Or your team favorite?
Yeah, when I was younger and I watched F1 more like often than nowadays. Yeah, my favorite driver was Fernando Alonso. He's from Spain. Also, we had like 5 years ago and 10 years ago, like drivers from Finland. For example, we had like Kimi Räikkönen and Heikki Kovalainen, but I wasn't fan of them. But I think, and my favorite team, to be honest, yeah, of course, who not likes to Ferrari, but like maybe Red Bull was my favorite because nowadays I'm like, yeah, maybe my favorite like drivers at the moment is like Max Verstappen. Even he have been dominate F1 uh, last 5 years or 6 years. So, but like, yeah, I think he's my current like favorite in F1 series.
Okay. Dulu tuh dia nonton F1 waktu kecil ya. Terus favoritnya tuh sukaannya dulu Fernando, dan dia dari wait, maaf ya, dari Spanyol ya, yang berasal dari Spanyol. Terus juga kayak 5 tahun, 10 tahun yang lalu tuh ada. Wait, can you repeat the
The
name
the
of
Fin
like 5 or 10 years ago?
yeah, I mean like Finnish drivers who was in F1. Yeah, their name was like Kimi Räikkönen. It's Finnish name. And
Ya,
Heikki Kovalainen.
oke. Ya, jadi itu tuh nama-nama yang dia suka waktu 5 tahun atau 10 tahun yang lalu gitu. Dan timnya tuh kayak semua orang katanya pasti suka lah ya Ferrari, dan dia juga katanya suka itu. Tapi dia sukanya itu Red Bull, right ya?
Yeah.
Oke, katanya gitu. Iya.
Oke, hold on. Iya, Red Bull sama Ferrari cukup bagus, tapi siapa tadi Niki itu udah gak ada lagi di F1. Jadi kayaknya emang kamu udah lama gak ngikutin ya?
She said like yeah, Ferrari and Red Bull. Red Bull is really good, and what was that? Nikki, right? Nikki, Kimi. Is not the member of F1 anymore, and so
Yeah.
so maybe you didn't follow F1 for long time, right?
My purpose when I follow F1 wasn't there is also Finnish driver, because to be honest, I don't say I hate Kimi Räikkönen, but I wasn't fan for him. I think he was, of course, him like speech and specifically when he talking to media. It was like comedy, but it was also quite boring to watching and listening because he just told few words and that's it. Yeah, I wasn't a fan of him. Maybe when I was younger, I followed more sport, specifically tennis, motorsport, also football, and like other sport more serious or more active than nowadays. I think nowadays I'm more busy and I'm focused my free time to other stuff than follow some sports, but still I'm following, but not as regular than before.
Ya, jadi katanya kayak dia tuh nggak suka sama Kimi ya, tapi kayak ya buat seneng-seneng aja gitu liatnya. Dan dia juga kayak waktu kecil tuh ngikutin olahraga banget, kayak tenis, terus juga motorsport, terus kayak dia main sepak bola juga dulu. Tapi kayak sekarang tuh dia sibuk dan gak ada waktu buat ngikutin itu gitu.
Oh, ya senang deh kalau dia senang tahu bahwa kalau dia tuh pernah ngikutin F1, karena aku sekarang lagi suka-sukanya di F1 gitu. Dan ini kayaknya waktu aku udah mau habis.
Okay. She said she's really happy that you knew and followed F1 before, because she is like F1 nowadays. So yeah, and I think her time is almost almost done. So yeah, what else? Apa lagi Alia?
Udah aja sih, kayak senang bisa kenal sama dia gitu.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. I'm still here, but I
Yeah.
need charger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe
Continue.
that's it from her, and she's really happy to talk with you, by the way.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
it was pleasure to talk.
Dia umurnya berapa sih?
Yeah.
how old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
Dia 23 tahun. Ya, oke.
Senang berkenalan dengan dia.
Yeah, nice to talk with you, she said.
Yeah, thank you. It was
Yeah.
pleasure to talk with you also.
Ya, makasih. Ini juga dan dia sangat senang buat ngobrol sama kamu katanya.
Oke.
I think that's all from her, Matthias. Any
Yeah.
question? Maybe?
May I ask you, what you eaten, Aya, before? I saw you eaten something.
Katanya apa yang kamu makan tadi?
You ate something.
Tadi
Tadi
dia
mama
lihat
aku-
kamu makan.
Mama aku ngasih es krim.
Her mom gave her ice cream before.
Okay, yeah. I'm a little bit jealous. Would you send me a little bit ice cream because I
Ya, dia
definitely
katanya penasaran tadi kamu.
Kalau bisa aku bakal ngirim cheesecake buatan aku aja.
She want to give you cheesecake if she
Buatan
can.
aku.
She made it cheesecake.
Okay.
If
Okay,
she
you can
can.
send me. I
Dia
can
bisa.
send you the address, but I take my own ice cream. Yeah.
Dia bisa ngirim kamu. Kamu bisa ngirim dia, tapi dia mau makan es krim katanya.
Oh, oke.
Yeah. Maybe that's all ya, Matthias.
Okay. Thank you, Alisa.
Okay.